because check it out. We can play things with a very good kamae or with a kamae so-so. Check the difference. So, here I have one taiko in front of me. I am standing up in front of this taiko. So, as I spread my legs here, I can lower myself up to the height of the taiko. I'm not sitting, the bench here, you see? I'm taking the bench away. I'm just standing in front of the drum. And when I play, I can be on a good stance, or I can just be sitting with my legs crossed from the side, like. This is not a good kamae. This is not a good pose. That's not how you play taiko.